Hey guys, welcome back to Lamelli Armory. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of the MidTen Sling Stud Bipod. Alright, so the bipod's going to come shipped in this cardboard box here. We'll take a look inside. So first we have the MidTen Sling Stud Bipod instruction manual. This is going to come in two different finishes, so it comes with the carbon fiber or the aluminum. This model here is the aluminum. So we'll have some tips for using the bipod, also the bipod parts and features down here, and then how to install the Sling Stud Bipod. Then we have our tool and also the little lever that comes here. Then here is the bipod. So it's activated under spring tension here. And then up on top, you can see this is where the stud is going to go through the sling mount on your rifle. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the MidTen bipod here. So you're going to have the MidTen logo on the left side and nothing on the right. And then just to activate this, you're just going to use a little bit of force and they come down. And so these legs are 6 inches, just the way they are now, but they do extend up to 9 inches. And you can see that they're spring pressured. And you can adjust this as well, so if you didn't want the full length, you can adjust it by however you feel that you need. Just that simple, by pressing down on these little pressure buttons here. And overall, the construction, the finish looks amazing. You can tell this is really sturdy. And what I've noticed here is just how sticky the rubber grips are here. So when you have your rifle down on a surface, it's not going to slip or slide. And that's going to be great. This bipod also has the capability of tilting. So with this provided S-lock, you can install it here in the rear by just twisting. And so what this is going to do is enable you to have this either locked in place where it does not tilt, or you can loosen this up and then you'll have a little bit of play, some tilt there while your bipod is down. So just in case you wanted to use that feature, it's there if you need it. And you can also just use your hand just to tighten this down. You can see there's no wiggle. And then just loosen this up a little bit, and then you'll have some tilt. So just preference on which way you like to use the tilt feature. Alright guys, so here is the carbon fiber model, and then here is the aluminum model. And the installation is actually really easy. So there's this little section here at the top that you would just unscrew this here. It loosens it up. You would remove this little plastic piece here. It just holds these together. And you would actually mount this right through the sling, just like that. And then once it's mounted through the sling holes, you would go ahead and tighten this down. And just like I have up here, you can see it's on there nice and firm. Works great for this rifle. Definitely recommend getting one. Both of the finishes you can see are great. No issues No complaints. They work really well. Alright guys, so that was the MidTen Sling Stud Bipod. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you on the next one.